Hello everybody, so let's look at this question from the SAT math section. This is telling us the given equation relates to the distinct positive real numbers w, x, and y. Which equation correctly expresses w in terms of x and y? And we have the equation as 14x over 7y equals to 2 times the square root of w plus 19. Okay, and from this equation we have to write w in terms of x and y. Okay, cool. So let's write down this equation first. Let me write up here. 14x over 7y is equal to 2 times the square root of w plus 19. Okay? And from this equation, we have to write w in terms of x and y. Okay, so what we're going to do is we are going to divide 2, this number 2, by both sides. Okay, and then we're going to square this a particular expression w square root of w plus 19. So that we'll end up with w plus 19, and then we're going to subtract both sides by 19, so that we'll have the value of w in terms of these two variables right here, x and y. Okay, so first step, let us divide both sides by 2. Let's bring 2 over here, over to this side, on the left side. Okay, and we'll have 14x divided by 7y times 2, and that is equal to w plus 19. Okay, and then we can continue right here. Okay, 14x over 14y, because 7y times 2 is equal to 14y, is equal to square root of w plus 19. Okay, the 14s cancel each other out, we end up with x plus y. Okay, and now our job is to square both of these sides right here, so that we'll end up with w plus 19. So when we or let me just write this right here first. Excuse me, my mistake. Yep, we have x over y is equal to square root of w plus 19. Okay, now we square both of these sides. Okay, we'll square this left side, and then we'll square this right side, and that is going to give us, let me draw this line right here, and let me continue on this side over here. That is going to give us x over y whole squared is equal to w plus 19. Now we subtract both sides by 19, so that we'll have the value of w, okay, in terms of x and y over here. So we'll continue down here, x over y whole squared minus 19, because we divide both sides by 19, that is equal to w. Okay, so we have the value of w right here in terms of x and y. Okay, so this is what we get: x over y whole squared minus 19 is equal to w. Okay, let me write it this way: x over y whole squared. Cool. So now we look at all these options, and we find that this option C right here is the correct answer. So let's select this option. Cool. Thanks to all of you for watching this video. I'd like to see all of you in the next one.